moved this thing around the other day and at slightly higher RPM and got a bad skip to it. And I don't really use this thing very much. Just like most tractors, it gets abused, left out, ran seldom. I drained a little bit of gas out of it, out of the bowl on the carburetor, and add some water in there. So let me show you what it's doing here. It's got a stutter to it. Let it warm up for a minute. It especially does it if I put a load on it, like try to lift the bucket any, using the rotor portion of it. I know it's got water in there, so I'm going to have to drain it out, at least drain some out of the bottom where water settles on the bottom because it's heavier than gas. Drain some more out of there until I'm getting no water. I already put some seafoam in there last week, put a bottle of seafoam in there. But you see it doesn't even want to idle now. Oh, it sounds a little better. Add a little bit of water in there, in the bowl anyway. A little bit in the gas tank. I think I got most of it out. We'll find out in a minute. You know, it ain't like it used to be when you put red gas in something and let it sit there for a year, over a year, and it still run fine. This methanol gas, or ethanol, it's just crazy. Sucks in water like crazy. And I don't have any stations around here that have non-ethanol. But it's none that it ain't damn almost twice as much money as regular unleaded or E10 gas. Got my drain loose, finger tight right now. Got my cup so I can drain some gas into it. Maybe. Definitely got a little bit of water in there. I don't know how much, but I can see it's water. You let it sit out here, it's not much in there because that sounds a lot more promising there. Let me give that main jet a little quick. Give it a little bit more. Oh yeah. Still a little milky in there. Murky. I know you can't see that, but I guess I still have water in there. Pretty damn murky. If your finger in there, you can feel it's got water in it. Just feels a little bit different. Yeah. The gas will evaporate pretty damn quick. If you feel like an oily feeling in your hand, that's the water. Better now. It's not murky. Actually smells like gas now instead of gassy water. I can actually see through it. Actually, I'm not biting. I am going to pop the string out of there again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull that carburetor off there and check the float level on it. It's like it's running out of gas now. It probably has been running out of gas, had water in it, but I think that carburetor's float's not getting enough gas into it, which is cheapo aftermarket carb. Uh, I put it on there and it worked, and I never checked it. I should have checked it before I even put the damn thing on there. But different carburetor and don't know the specs on it, so now I can check it and set it for where I think it needs to be, where it's not dumping out the float bowl or starving for gas. So we'll see. Anyway, that's it for this one. Gotta go eat some lunch or something. And you guys take care. Appreciate you watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. And I guess I'll be doing setting the float on this thing next and servicing the rest of the fuel system. Well, it should be good. We pretty much just serviced it. All right, take care.